What you want to eat? Which ice cream?
I want chocolate ice cream.
Not ready, not ready. Aira Meku. Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Samira Sharif. Guys, so as you all have already seen the title, today's video is gonna be about my day with Ayan and Prince. So after a very long time, like after the second wave, today is the first day that Ayan is coming to our home to spend some time. So yeah, he'll be there in some time. Let's go and get him inside. Assalamualaikum.
Salam Guru.
Salam.
Roxy, say hi. Roxy, say hi. Say hi. Stand, nothing. Say hi, jump. Jump, say hi. Yes. Come down. Say hi. Come.
You're not supposed to get scared. He's your friend.
See who came here. Say hi, salam do, shake hand do. Salam do, shake hand.
Right hand.
Right hand. Lele milo. Hug each other, hug.
And you're just trying all the things that I love.
Take him inside. Take him inside, Joe.
This one is baby.
Wait, can I see what? Okay, what is that?
This one is baby, Chota Papa and Beta.
Wow, thank you.
इसमें कहाँ है? This Chota Papa,
Okay,
baby, Mama.
correct. Hey guys, so here they are. Say hi.
Everyone. Hi everyone. So I like to come. So I cannot come daily.
Oh,
One day.
you cannot come daily, but you can come one day. Prince, are you happy your friend is here?
Yes.
Can you see here?
Yes.
How much happy?
I am Ganesh.
Ayan Ganesh is here. Okay. Okay guys, so now I had to put up a story on Instagram for which I'm gonna use my fur cloth and make the setup on my bed because I cannot bend down, I can't put it on the floor to take the flat lays. And I requested my boys here, Ayan and Prince, to stay quiet for some time, so I will make my story. And what did you guys say when I said can you please be quiet for some time? What did you say?
Okay. This is Chota Papa.
Okay,
This is Mommy.
okay.
This is Ayan.
Huh?
Ayan big red.
That is not Ayan. कौन है वो?
Abadan.
Yes, Anwar Jan. Okay, so I'm going to record a video. You must be quiet, okay? Okay, Prince, you must be quiet, okay?
Okay.
So this is the condition of my bed as of now. We will probably use that area and place the flat lay there. So yeah, let's do that.
Baby कहाँ है?
Yes, Prituma.
इसके वास्ते.
Flat lays lena.
What is that?
I will show you what. You just see how I'm going to work, but you must be quiet. How will you be?
What?
Good.
What?
So this is the flat lay that I usually create. I put a cloth, a fur cloth, and then I place some nice decor pieces, and I place the whatever PR courier I have at this place, and then I put up my story. So let's quickly do that, and then I'll catch you guys. Okay, so my babies are having their lunch. What are you eating for lunch?
Dal Mama.
Dal Mamam and Chi-Chi. Yes, like good boys, they are finishing. Stop, 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 stop.
You're pulling so deep inside of me. 'Cause you're a
You must stop, Ayan. Stop, stop. So as you all have seen, we took a small nap, which obviously I did not record, and after that they also spent some time, as you guys have already seen. And now, where are we going?
Surprise! Surprise! Abba Dani TL.
They didn't ask you, huh?
Anwarjan is here.
Hi.
And Anwarjan is busy driving, you guys. So we will not disturb him, and we are going to one beautiful place which I've been wanting to visit since forever. And today I'm taking my little ones there, and probably I'll catch you guys once we reach there. Are you both excited?
Yes! Yeah!
You are the violence pulling me down.
What do you want to eat?
I eat Cali ice cream. Ice cream.
Which ice cream?
I want chocolate ice cream.
What do you want, friends?
Anna, I want cone ice cream.
Which ice cream flavor? Vanilla?
Yeah, vanilla.
Okay.
I want chocolate ice cream.
Okay, fine.
'Cause you're a dark passenger. I can't help when you take control of me. 'Cause you're a dark passenger. You're pulling so deep.
I want noodles first.
That'll be yummy. Eat and see.
Okay. Good too. First eat round.
Eat.
And दूसरा कलर क्या है?
Huh?
About chicken.
अरे this one is there.
That eat bit will be nice.
You also put.
Must eat that, it'll be nice. Maybe never ate cotton candy.
You are the poison.
Hi guys, I'm checking in after more than 24 hours now, and guess what? Ta-da, ta-da! Come here, come closer.
See.
Ayan is still here with me. Ayan, are you excited?
What?
Because you are with me for 2 days. Yeah?
No, 5 days.
You are staying for 5 days. Okay, my friends have sent me a gift. Shall we open that?
No.
Why?
This is for me.
The chocolate is yours, but you're not eating now because it is night. Oh, by the way, guys, it is 9 o'clock in the night, and we are done with our dinner, and we also had come to sleep. And I had couple of things, couple of couriers lying outside in isolation, of which I would be unboxing one now and probably fixing it. And yeah, you will by now you guys might have seen the unboxing haul already. The haul video of that of those things that I have. So yeah, let's do that and keep it in the room.
So, it's so big, this fridge.
Okay.
One fridge. So, 3 powers, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come this side.
So, it's quite too big. We just take a cloth.
Okay.
First making plus got it!
So guys, it is technically the second day with Ayan, and today we are at, can you see the background? Ta-da, ta-da. We are at Ayan's home, and so technically Prince and I have come to drop Ayan, and look what they are up to. Ta-da, ta-da. Ayan and Prince, say hi.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so now we are going down to my mom's place to have lunch, and my mom doesn't know that I am coming here or I'm going to stay here till evening. So let's go and see her reaction. I won't be vlogging the entire thing because this video will be already too long. So yeah, let's go have lunch and then I'll catch you guys after we come back here.
I cannot let you take control of me, 'cause you're a dark passenger. Your voice is so deep inside of me.
Hey! Hey! Ayan! Come! How are you? Come!
आके देखना कहते तुम्हें.
May 3, 2, 1, start!
क्या बात है नानी मिस यू मम्मी
लाडू अక్కడ పడుతుంది కదా
चिकड़ी चिकड़ी चिकड़ी
అక్కడ పడుతుంది
My head is not a
Prince, you hide.
dark passenger.
अरे no cheating.
Control of me, 'cause you're a dark passenger.
Not ready, not ready. I did not say ready. Wow, good boy. Ayan भैया को? Ayan को Ayan? Aira? Aira मेरे को? Prince भैया को? Ayan, she's calling Aira. Thank you. हमें नहीं खिलाएंगे आयरा कहाँ देखो तुम बच्चा खिलाता लो बोल के उसे भी एक्टिविटी है दोनों भी खा ले Ayan, she's calling Aira. No problem, no problem. अरे देख Aira, Aira Ayan भैया को खिलाओ Ayan भैया को खाओ Ta-da, ta-da. That's Appa and Jiju. Oh, by the way, guys, maybe he wants to reveal it only on his channel, but I'll be a spoiler and tell you guys that he has a brand new MacBook Pro gifted by his sister-in-law Samira Sharif. No guys, Papa, it is his hard-earned money. By taking my permission. Yeah, that too, by taking his Hyderabadi beauty permission. Okay guys, so finally it's gonna be end of this video because we are saying bye to Ayan and Prince and I are going back home. Prince, are we going back home?
Yes.
Yes, are you excited
Yes.
to see Chandni?
Yes.
Look here and say
Yes.
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 Ayan, are you going to miss me?
Yeah.
Come and hug me fast. Fast, fast. I love you. I love you.
अभी सीखा
I will come back soon, okay?
अभी
I'll come back
अभी
2 weeks बाद.
no
Yeah.
no
Yeah. Say bye. Alright guys, we are ending this video right here. We'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until we'll see you next. Lots of love.
The past keeps following me.